Hello everyone, this is a guide that will teach you how to list an item on Facebook Marketplace for sale using an internet-connected phone or tablet. Require a phone or tablet with a steady internet connection. It's preferably secure internet. The Facebook app and an active, not locked or banned Facebook profile. If you don't have the app downloaded on your device, don't worry. Part of this guide will show you how to download it. This tutorial is being filmed on an iPhone. However, Android users will be able to follow along as well with the highlighted in the green in the area of your screen. Please remember, location is very important. Rules and operation can be very different wherever you live, so don't expect the rule to be the same. Before we begin, make sure the Facebook app is installed on your device. To check on this, on the iPhone, scroll all the way to the left and type Facebook into the search bar of the app library. Once the app has been found, it's time to get started. If you are unable to find the app, you may need to download it from the App Store. Pause here if you need to download the app before continuing. First, we will need to open the Facebook app. Once completed, locate the Marketplace icon at the bottom of your screen and tap on it. Now, to open your Marketplace profile, to do this, locate the person icon in the top right corner of your screen. This will be in the same place on all devices. The next step is to view your listing. To do this, locate the selling section in the middle of your screen. In there, you will find an image of a shopping tag labeled your listing. Tap on the shopping tag. After you open up a listing page, it's finally time to create a new listing. There will be a blue bar with a white tag that says Create New Listing. At the top of your screen, tap on that blue bar. Moving on, we must select our listing type. Regardless of device, this will appear as a list at the bottom of your screen. Depending on the item you are selling, tap on the appropriate choice. For this tutorial, a lamp is being sold under item. Once a listing type has been selected, photo or video of the object for sale need to be added. At the top of your screen, there will be a box with a text saying Add Photo/Video. Tap on this box to upload photos or video of the object for sale. You may need to allow Facebook to access your photos. This is done in the setting menu and varies by device. Steps for your specific device can be found online. If necessary, pause the tutorial here and resume after your photo/video have been uploaded. After the photo or video has been uploaded, the new sale listing will require a title. Below where the box/photo were uploaded is a box with the word title in it. Tap on that box. This will bring up your device keyboard and allow you to enter a title for your listing. After you type the title, close your device keyboard. For this tutorial, the list is titled Lamp. Now that the listing has a title, a price will be needed to be added. Directly below the title box will be a box with the word price in it. Type on that box. This will bring up a keypad at the bottom of your screen. Enter the price you wish to sell your item for, then type done. For the purpose of the tutorial, the price is $10. Once the price has been added, a listing category needs to be chosen. Directly below the price box will be the box with a word category in it. Type on that box. This will give you a list of categories. Scroll down until you find the category that best describes your object and tap on say category.
After the initial category selection in step 10, a second list will appear. Scroll down until you find the option that best describes your object and tap on that option. With the finalized subcategory chosen, it's time to save our work so far. This is done by locating the blue Save button at the bottom of your screen and tapping on it. For tutorial purpose, TV stand and entertainment center has been chosen. Since our progress has been saved, we'll move on to choose the condition of the object for sale. Directly below the category box will be a box with the word condition in it. Tap on that box. This will give you a list of possible conditions your objects can be in. Find the one that currently describes your project and tap on Set Condition. The tutorial listing is in Used Like New condition. With the item's current condition in mind, a description needs to be added. Directly below the condition box will be a box with the word description in it. Tap on that box. This will bring up your device's keyboard and allow you to enter the description for your listing. For tutorial purpose, the description reads, "Use the lamp for sale. No crutches, works great. Its design is perfect for any room of your home." After typing the description, tap Next in the upper right corner. Once you have done with the description, it's time to choose the delivery method. In the center of your screen, there will be a box with delivery method written in it. Tap on this box. A menu will appear at the bottom of your screen with the delivery method options. Choose the option you would most prefer and tap on it. The tutorial listing will be local pickup only. After choosing delivery method, scroll down. You will see different meeting preferences. Read the options carefully and tap on the square box to the right of your option. Please don't give your home address to someone you didn't know. For safety reasons, the tutorial sale needs to be a public meetup. Now it's on to your final step, publishing your listing. Locate the blue Publish button at the bottom of your screen and tap on it, and you are finished. Congratulations, you have just published a sales listing on Facebook Marketplace.
Troubleshooting guide. Location: Facebook Marketplace, Facebook app, won't be available for everyone in the world because of a country internet block or the company's decision. So people will need to move out of a country in order to access it or get a VPN to change their location in other countries without moving. Legal rules and regulations. Not all sales will be able to be finalized. Don't assume the laws and regulations where the buyers are located will be the same as your local laws. Sometimes, things that people see on Facebook Marketplace can't be delivered because of the size of the item or laws banning that item from being delivered to that person or area. Operation. Facebook Marketplace doesn't operate the same thing as Amazon that has a warehouse to store and deliver items from seller to buyer. So the seller will need to rely on UPS or FedEx for delivery, and the buyer will need to search on the seller. Access. People are going to need to have a Facebook account in order to interact with the app, so no other way around it. Make sure to market to someone who has Facebook account already installed or convenience them that Facebook is a great app to have on the phone. For downloading software, you should navigate to the App Store if you have an iPhone or to the Play Store if you have an Android device. Listing maintenance. How to keep the post active. Avoid posting illegal products and using photos of them that are not taken yourself. Make sure the price setting is proper. How to find offers for your listing. The Messenger app will send the message to the user, but just make sure to download it because it is not part of the Facebook app. How to keep your post active. Renew your item each 7 days after posting it if it remains unsold. How to get to buy people on the Facebook Marketplace. Be sure to keep on putting the site link on other social media or spread out another way if possible. How to make the item sellable or be successful. Check on other people's products that they are selling and look at yours to see if they haven't sold something like yours or if the same to make sure the prices are justified. How to keep Facebook from crashing. One of the most common causes of Facebook app crashes is that the iPhone software is outdated. It is important to keep your device's software and Facebook version up to date.